Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Relegation threatened Harbour kept their hopes of remaining in the rare Jamaica Premier League alive after a 1-0 win over Molynes United at the Constant Spring Sports Complex on Sunday. Garfield Jones reports.
This was the mega match of the penultimate round of the Jamaica Premier League. Two teams, Molynes United and Harbour, fighting to keep their Premier League status intact. Now, a win for Molynes, who were on a 4-game winning run, would have seen Harbour relegated. But instead, it was the Stars of the East who prevailed. Garth Stewart scored the all-important goal for Harbour in the 67th minute. It means Harbour, who now joined Molynes on 39 points, still sit in the relegation zone, while Molynes are just outside with a superior goal difference.
I spoke to the players earlier about the situation that we are in. We put ourselves where we are now, so we have to try and take us out of the situation. And I think they did well today. They fought gallantly right throughout the game.
Yeah, definitely a tough one. One of them games you do not want to lose, but if you're not going to score easy, simple chances, then it's hard to put you out in the ring.
Meanwhile, Racing United will have to wait until the final round for one last try in securing a playoff spot. They were held to a 1-1 draw by Portmore United at the Ferdinand Park. Portmore United took the lead through Peter McGregor in the 8th minute before O'Dane Nish grabbed a point for Racing. Racing are currently 6th on 57 points.
It all came from how we prepare the whole entire week, how we prepare the whole entire week. And we could see it in the training session that they're going to come and give it the all today. And they really put out everything today. Just unfortunate to not get the 3 point. But Wednesday, we just have to do our job.
Racing will play relegated Spanish Town Police on Wednesday. Garfield Jones reporting for